Now, here are the questions. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1, what is global warming? Question number 2, what happens? What happens as the atmosphere warms up? What happens to the ice in the north and south poles? Okay, so imagine that this side is hidden. So okay, so let's listen to this. Global warming means that the atmosphere warms up. This changes the climate of the Earth. When atmosphere warms up, the weather becomes more violent. This makes storms very strong. Periods of drought become long in some places. In other places, it rains so much that there are floods. The ice in the north and south poles melts and sea levels rise. The future of our planet is in danger. Okay, so let's get back to the questions and the answers. What is global warming? Global warming is when the atmosphere warms up. Okay? Number 2, what happens as the atmosphere warms up? So, what happens when the atmosphere's temperature rise up? The weather becomes more violent. This is the first thing. The weather becomes more violent. What's the meaning of violent? Violent, let's say it becomes harder, okay? Harder, or let's say يعني عنيف أكتر, حاد أكتر, okay? Storms, we have storms, very strong. Periods of drought become longer, and we have floods, okay? The third question is, what happens to the ice in the north and south poles? It melts. The ice melts, and the sea levels rise. Okay? So, the ice in the north and south poles of the earth melt. Okay? Melts. It melts. That means it changes from ice into water. This is the meaning of melts, okay? And it goes to the seas, and then what happens? The sea levels rise, okay? Now, we have an extra information here. The future of our planet is in danger, okay?